Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, I recommended to check for updates, so open Philips headphones application, and then you need to of course set your earbuds to the app, go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here we need to go to product information, and at the third line we have software update. Tap at this line, and right here I have the information. I have the latest version. If you haven't, just update it. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. After that, you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. So this one also can fix this problem. If it doesn't, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside the case we have the connection button, and you need to press 2 times at this button. 1, 2. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device button at the top if you have this button. Not all Android phones have it. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we reconnect them. Then check. If it also didn't help you, I recommended to put your earbuds to the case, then close the case and fully charge them. But if all of these methods didn't help you, maybe your left or right earbud is broken, so maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!